So today I want to give you guys a quick review of the BLACK+DECKER 20V Max cordless handheld stick vacuum. This is a wonderfully portable, ultra compact, yet very, very reliable vacuum. I've used it for everything from cleaning small rooms in the house to cleaning out my car. It's incredibly useful, incredibly handy, and very, very lightweight, which makes cleaning easy. Does come with this flexible hose right here, as you can see, which rests nicely on top when it's stowed away. It's a flexible hose. It goes up to 4 feet, making it super easy to clean, and it's a really quick charging product. So if you charge it for even an hour, you'll have plenty of juice to go and do the cleaning you need to do. It does come with a couple of extra nozzle heads, one of which is a pet brush. I found that it's great. I have dogs and we do have carpet in some of the rooms, so I found that it's really, really nice for cleaning up unwanted pet hair when it's around. So yeah, highly recommend it if you guys are looking for a decent handheld vacuum.